Get ready for spring with this beautiful home in Powell. Conveniently located close to downtown Knoxville, this 3-bed/2.5-bath home features spacious eat-in kitchen with all stainless steel appliances, living room west/chimney on the main level, and 3 bedrooms and 2 spacious full baths plus laundry room upstairs. Master bedroom has a large walk-in closet. Summer will be a delight grilling on the generous deck overlooking almost half-acre of land. The amazing backyard features a stone fire pit, a dream for the outdoors enthusiast. Enjoy some relaxing by the subdivision pool and let the children have fun on the community playground.CALL today to schedule your private showing.